Yo, what's up internet? It is day 5 here in Beijing, and today's gonna be the last day of shooting, I hope. So nice today. There's blue skies, there's no haze. I talked to Barry and he said that the pollution rating is at a 30 today, so that's less than LA. I'm honestly not feeling too hot today. I woke up and my whole body is aching. So after this morning shoot, I'm planning on getting a massage because I need it. Hello, Space Cycle family. Look at Yan Yan's cute shoes.
Yes, I think it's cute. They don't know the fashion.
They don't know fashion.
Yeah.
But here's our voiceover talent. She's a professional DJ.
这是什么
GoPro.
Oh.
And we're gonna do our voiceover now. So set up a little studio here. You ready, Eric? Professional. Yes. That was awesome. Sounds so good. That voiceover went incredibly well. Great choice, Eric. And now we are gonna go get a massage because my body is about to fall apart. Oriental Taipan massage and spa. I'm so ready for this. Yeah.
2 hours later.
Oh my god, we just got a 90-minute massage. That was incredible. Slightly painful, but I feel so much better now. How you feeling?
Wonderful.
Wonderful. So cute. Hi, come here. Let's do it, bro. Yo, what's up, pal? Okay, we're about to go get the last shots of the day. We're gonna get a sunset time lapse from this unfinished building right up here. Somehow Eric got us clearance. And it should look really, really cool. Okay, we're going up there. We're going 260 meters high on this building. It's gonna be pretty sick. All right, got our hard hats on. We're going up high. This is serious.
I've never tried this kind of elevator before.
I'm excited.
Yeah. Here it comes.
So cool.
This is the wrong elevator. Wrong elevator. Wrong one.
Oh my god, this is so sick. This elevator is super sketchy. Oh my gosh, we are on the 50th floor right now.
Shit, okay. Just get on the top. Oh my god.
Oh. This is pretty insane.
I used to be in love with heartbreak.
Oh.
Take care, take care.
Oh. Yeah, let's get started. This is insane. All right, let's get this final scene. I'm gonna give you this camera.
Yo. 当我说的时候就举手啊。举手。OK， 我们看一遍。One more, one more, one more.
We just got the most epic ending shots. Right now I'm getting a time lapse. This time lapse is looking awesome. It's really chilly up here, but it's always super worth it for shots like this. The sun is almost set. We got about 5-10 minutes left. It's really cold up here, and the time lapse is almost done. Making our way down. It is freezing balls right now. Oh my god, it's so cold. You got this, Eric? How you feel? Just fucking cold. Eric, high five, man. I don't know how you did that. Serious connections.
Match Eric.
Alright, so this shop is called Gentle Monster. Eric said it's really unique.
You want to ring the bell?
Yes. So they have all these doorbells. They all work? What? So cool. And they have they have this thing here. I don't even know what this is about. What is this place? This is so random. Okay, they have a refrigerator. What's in here?
Glasses. Sunglasses.
Oh, so it's a sunglass store.
Yeah.
What? Are they expensive? 2,000 RMB.
Yeah. Actually, it's not as expensive.
Wow, it's so unique. This is it's like a refrigerator.
Yeah.
Oh, this is supposed to be like meat.
Yeah, you got it.
Oh.
And a kitchen.
They have a toilet. What's a toilet? What is this? Oh, there's.
Check the elevator.
Huh?
Check the elevator. It's a shower room.
The elevator's a shower. Is this actual elevator? So weird.
Check this.
This is so interesting. What is this?
It's like a automatic printer. It's weird, right? High
This
tech and
is so
really-
high tech. What is?
It's like pretend it's copy the print. Automatically. About the music, you listen, you find music.
Yeah. Okay, they got chandeliers and antlers and then sunglasses. This is... Hello. It's so random. I like the glasses.
Yeah.
I want to try one. So, everything's so random. Let's see how these look. Too girly. Yeah.
Guy's house.
Yeah. It's extremely random. But it's cool. I like it. This dressing room thing. What is going on? Look at these shades. These are out of this world. Whoa. Ooh, this is old school stuff.
Yeah.
Wow. Alright. Erica and I are here at Mocha Bros again. This is definitely my favorite restaurant in Beijing. 100%.
Again.
Cheers, bro. To so many successful days. A successful life. And that's the end of the day. It's been super fun. That trip up to that building was insane. Really awesome opportunity to go up there. I don't feel like a lot of Beijing people get to experience something like that. Tomorrow is going to be the beginning of the editing process. Perfectly on schedule because we're halfway through the trip right now, so I have a lot of time to edit and get the video done before I go back to Thailand. And I can't wait to go back to Thailand so I can get massages every day and get cupping done because my back is still so tight. That massage really helped today. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.
despite the war in my head.